Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA seems to be working finally on the E-wave that we've been waiting for weeks, basically. And it could be either the yellow E-wave here of this smaller triangle that we've been discussing more and more in the last few days, or we're finally dealing with this larger E-wave. And to understand that, if you are new to this channel, we have to zoom out a little bit and I have to explain it. Otherwise, you will probably not understand it and be completely lost in the analysis. So you need to understand our main thesis here, which is still another bear market low. Yes, we see a few green candles. That's been entirely expected from the current price region down there. The idea is that the movement between January and basically today is best counted and assumed as an Elliott wave triangle. A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and with an E wave still to come. The E wave would be a lower high. There are two ways how an E wave can basically unfold. The E wave of the D wave low that was made in August, the E wave could be either a quite complex WXY structure. So we are dealing here with a situation where we could say, okay, W, X, and then a Y wave unfolding right now. This would be an E wave, and it could take us into the region between 30 and 34 cents roughly. And then we could come down to new bear market lows around the 15-cent region. This is one way of looking at it, but it would take a break above 27 cents to confirm this perspective. The other interpretation is that the E wave with which we're dealing, the E wave is just unfolding as a triangle itself. So this E wave, which could be a WXY structure, is in fact not a WXY, but a triangle itself. This is possible and absolutely allowed for in the Elliott wave rules. So if that's the case, then we are probably currently dealing with yellow wave E. So either way, we were waiting for an E wave bounce, and now the extent of that bounce is going to tell us more about where we should be heading next. Either way, whichever E wave it is, at the moment another bear market low is expected. Yellow wave E should not move beyond 27 cents. So the yellow wave count basically here shows you a potential Elliott wave triangle, that this E wave of the larger triangle finishes where the triangle ends, and then we could break down. But a more direct breakdown requires a break below the basically 24-cent level. Now we haven't had that at this stage, okay? So we haven't seen that. Therefore, first of all, we expect that E wave to play out anyway. That was the plan anyway. And we just need to see how high does this E wave go. It's impossible to say which one it is, okay? It's impossible to say which one it is. We literally need to watch the 27-cent level. If the price gets stuck below 27 cents, we are likely here in the smaller triangle with a projected breakout to the downside. Or if we break above 27 cents, we could get into this region. In both scenarios, we expect this to be an E wave. Just the question of how is it subdividing. And also in both scenarios, we are expecting at the moment a new bear market low. We are watching for a new bear market low. This could only be avoided by breaking above the 38.5-cent level. Lot of distance to cross to get there. And at the moment, I just don't see a clear setup for that. So we remain focused on the scenarios that we have been talking about for many, many weeks. It's been very boring. It still is boring, but my hope is that as soon as we get this E-wave complete, we can finally start the party and get the final flush, maybe capitulation, to complete this bear market. I'll keep you updated. At the moment, obviously, the very, very short-term trend is up since this last swing low, which I have labeled as wave D, or in the white wave count wave B. So in both scenarios, we expected a bit of a bounce. We see that today. And now we just need to be watching how high do we go. ADA quite weak though. And let's see if we can get above 27 cents or not. If this is just the yellow E wave, then the ideal target for the yellow E wave would be here between 25.4 and 26.2 cents. Okay. I would rather be watching the 26.2 cent level, and a break above that would already increase the likelihood of a break above the 27 cent level. So watch the 26.2 cent level for a potential reaction. That's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.